Good morning. Today our topic is probability. Probability means chance. Have you studied that topic before? Or in class 5? I don't know. Anyway, what is probability? For example, if you toss a coin, you may get a head or a tail, right? So, what is the probability of getting a head? Let us look at the general example. For example, what is the probability that it will rain tomorrow? 50-50 we can say it. What's the probability that the school will open tomorrow? You may say that there is no way. Because of this present situation, we can say that there is no way. The probability is 0. Probability that the school will open tomorrow is 0. 100%. Everybody knows that, right? But if I ask you, what's the probability that it will rain tomorrow? You may say that it is 50%. Maybe it will rain 50%. 50% means half. Use, we can say it. Okay. Another example, if I say, what's the probability that it will the sun will rise tomorrow? So you can say it is 100%. The sun will rise tomorrow is 100%. That means 100% is 100 divided by 100. We can say it is 1. So in short form, next step. What is probability? Probability is numerically a description of how likely an event occurs. How likely an event occurs. Now here, as before, I was explaining it before, this is a coin. There is a coin. If you toss a coin, you may get a head or a tail. So the total outcome is 2. You can get a head or you can get a tail. So the total outcome, we write it down 2. So what's the probability of getting a head? Head is 1 over 2, we can say that. Or probability of getting a tail. If I ask you what's the probability of getting a tail, again you can say it is half. Because there is only one tail, you can say that it is half. So when you add these two probabilities, half plus half, you will get it is 1. The total probability is always equal to 1. So very important thing you have to understand that the probability always lies between 0 and 1. You will not get a value which is above than 0, above than 1 or below than 0. Because 1 stands at 100%. 0 means there is no way of getting it. Another example, if you toss a die, you may get 1 or a 2 or a 3 or a 4, 5 or 6. These are the possible outcomes. So you can get 1 or you can get a 2 or a 3, 4, 5 or 6. Enough. Total how many outcomes are there? There are 6 outcomes in total. So here, what's the probability of getting a 1? Total, we can see that there are 6 outcomes. The probability of getting 1 is 1 out of 6. 1 out of 6, because there is only 1 is there. And 2, there is only 1, 2 is there. So probability of getting 2 is 1 out of 6. Total 6 outcomes. Probability of getting a 3 is 1 out of 6. Probability of getting a 4 is also 1 out of 6. 5 is also 1 out of 6. 6 is also 1 out of 6. In all these cases, the probability remains same. And if you add all these probabilities, you will see that you will get 6 out of 6, which is equal to 1. So this is a way to find one probability. For example, if you spin, this is a spinner. Spin. So when you spin this, you may get 1, 2, 3, 4. Any one of these outcomes you can get it. So what is the probability of getting a 3? When you spin, there is only 1 3 is there. So probability of getting a 3, they ask, it is only 1 3 is there out of 4. So what is the probability of getting this green part, this shade part? We can say that probability of getting the green part, there is only 2. So 2 out of total 4, which is half. If I ask you, what is the probability of getting an even number? Even number. How many even number is there? 2 is an even number, 4 is an even number. So there are 2 cases are there. So total outcome is 4. Out of that, 2 outcomes are there to get an even number. So 2 out of total is 4. So 1 out of 2. When you simplify that, make it as a spin a bit. 8. Now look at this. If you spin it, so you are getting a 3. So what is the probability of getting a 3? Again in this. Can you spin it again? Okay, you got a 6. So what is the probability of getting a 6 here? If they ask what's the probability of getting a 6, there is only 1 6. So 1 out of total, how many outcomes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 outcomes are there. 1 out of 8. So if I spin it again and I am asking what is the probability of getting an odd number? Probability of getting odd number. How many odd numbers are there? 1 is an odd number, 3 is an odd number, 5 is an odd number, 7 is an odd number. So total 1, 2, 3, 4 odd numbers are there. So what is the probability of getting an odd number? 4 odd numbers are there. Out of total how many numbers are there? 8. It's 4 out of 8. When you simplify, you will get this 1 out. If they wait, what is the probability of getting 4 or a 6? 4 or a 6. How many 4 is there? 1 4. How many 6 there? 1 6. So total 4 or 6 means 2 outcomes are there. 2 out of total 8, which is 1 out of 4. Probability getting 4 or a 6. You can get a 4 or a 6. So there are 2 outcomes like that. 4, 1 4 and 1 6 is there. Probability getting 4 over 6 is 2 out of 8. So that means 1 out of 4. Make it 60. Now if you spin it, what is the probability of getting? Here there are, when you divide here for the total 16 outcomes are there. What's the probability of getting single digit? Probability of getting 1 digit. In another word, you can say the 1 digit number. So how many 1 digit is there? You can say that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 1 digit. So 9 out of total 16 numbers are there. So 9 out of 16. One more question from here. What's the probability getting? Probability getting multiple of 2. What are the multiples of 2? You know that 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. These are the multiples of 2. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 numbers are there, multiples of 16 out of total 16. So it is 1 over 2, half. So this is a way to find the probability of any events. It's very simple what which is for class 6, and actually this is a big topic. You are studying only very basic fundamental things. When you come to higher classes, you will study a lot of things based on this. Okay, I have sent one worksheet based on this. Please do it and send it tomorrow itself in Class Dojo, and not through message, through the Class Dojo. Thank you.